decided to come here today because I thought it would be a really great chance to improve my skills as a young filmmaker. The Very Short Film Festival is a great opportunity to give yourself a deadline and give yourself the inspiration to actually make something.
I also think find your community. Even if you just find one voice that resonates with you, just keep being yourself and you'll find your group.
My favourite part of the day so far has been when we wrote scripts, because it's one of my favourite parts of filmmaking.
I would probably say collaboration. I think that that's something that a lot of young filmmakers struggle with, just understanding that film is a team sport and you really need to be able to communicate and be open to other people's ideas. SAE Melbourne has really good facilities, all the different camera and lighting gear. The soundstage is fantastic. The students always know that they can access it whenever they like. They can make whatever they like. Just the more time that they have on set is so important, and I think that this school really facilitates that.